Formula One braking systems face one of the harshest thermal environments in motorsport. During a race, a car repeatedly slows from very high speed to cornering speed, converting enormous kinetic energy into heat. In only a few seconds, the temperatures in the braking system can rise far beyond what ordinary road car components could tolerate. First, the brake disc is built from carbon-carbon material, not steel. This choice matters because carbon materials remain effective at very high temperatures and can handle repeated thermal shock. The disc sits inside the wheel and is exposed to intense airflow, yet it still heats quickly when the driver brakes late into a corner. The brake pads also use specialized carbon-based compounds. When the driver presses the pedal, the pads clamp onto the disc and create friction. That friction is what stops the car, but it also produces heat at a remarkable rate. Engineers tune the pad and disc combination so that the brakes work best in a very narrow temperature window. If the brakes are too cool, the car loses stopping power. If they become too hot, the material can wear rapidly or lose consistency. To control this, teams use carefully shaped ducts and cooling channels that direct air toward the brakes. The design is adjusted for each circuit, because a slow street track may demand more cooling than a fast circuit with long straights. Visibility makes the process even more dramatic. An overheated brake disc can glow deep orange or red, especially at night. Even so, the system is designed to survive that level of heat. The car's suspension, wheel rims, and sensors must also cope with it, so the brake package becomes a balancing act between performance, durability, and airflow. Behind the scenes, the engineers monitor temperatures in real time. They watch for signs of glazing, fade, or uneven wear, and they change setup options to keep the system inside its ideal range. A perfect braking lap is not just about stopping hard. It is about keeping the brakes alive under repeated extremes, lap after lap, while the driver trusts them completely. That is why Formula One brakes survive extreme heat. They are not ordinary brakes pushed too far. They are purpose-built systems designed from the start to turn extreme energy into controlled friction, then release the heat fast enough to do it again on the next corner.